Chapter 17, Part 1, Shvayathu Sopha Chikitsa, Treatment of Swelling. This is from Ashtang Hridaya Chikitsa STHANA, Part 1. Adhadaha, Shvayathu Chikitsidam Vyakyasyamaha, Idihasmadhu, Atreyaradayo, Maharshayaha. We shall now expound the chapter Shvayathu Chikitsa Treatment of Swelling or Edema or Dropsy, thus said Atreya and other great sages. Sarvanga Sopha Chikitsa. Sarvatra Sarvanga Sare Doshache Shvayathu Pura Same Visheshadho Bhuktva Legukoshna Ambasa Pipe Nagara Adi Vishadharu Vidangendriya Yava Yoshana. In all cases of Sarvanga Shobha, swelling of the entire body. Sarvanga Shobha means swelling of entire body. This is caused by dosha, especially when associated with ama. And the patient should take legu, that is a light food, and then consume the powder of churna of Nagara, Adivisha, Dharu, Vidanga, Indrayava, and Ushna. Adava, Vijaya Shundi Devadharu, Punarnava. Or of Vijaya, Shundi, Devadharu, Punarnava. Navayasam va doshadyaha, Shuddhaye, Mutra Haritaki. If there is doshadya means a great increase of dosha, then he should consume either navayasa, that is mentioned in chapter 15 of Chikitsa Sthana, or mutra haridage, mentioned in chapter 8, for the purification or purgation. Varakvadena kaduga kumbhayaha trayushanani va adhava kumbha ayas trayushanani va adhava gugulum tadvajadu va shailasam bhavam. That is, then he should drink vara kvada. That is a decoction of tripala. Vara means tripala, and added with powder of kaduka, kumbha, ayas, trayushana or gugulu or shiladadu, the same way. Mandagnihi shilayed ama guru bhinna vibadha vit. Takram, Savarchala Vyoshik Shaudra Yukta. He who has Mandagni, that is poor digestive fire, having symptoms of ama, being heavy, broken, constipating feces, that is the Binna, Vibatta Vit, constipation. Takram should be consumed, mixed with Savarchala Vyosha Shaudra. Guda Abhayam, Takra Anupana Madhava, Tatvadva Guda Nagara. Or consume Guda and Abhaya, or Guda and Nagara, followed by Takra as Anupana. Ardraga Vardhamana. Ardragam va samagudam, praguncha ardha vivardhitam, param panchapalam masam yuksha kshira rasa ashanaha. Ardraga, added with equal quantity of Guda, increased by half praguncha or pala daily, till the total quantity become 5 pala. This should be consumed for 1 month. And the person should take yusha, that is soup, milk, and rasa as food. Indication of this Ardraga Vardhamana. Gulma Udhararshaha, Shvayathu Pramehan, Shwasa Pradishyaya Alasaka, Avibhagan, Sa Kamala, Shosham, Ane Vikhara, Mano Vikharan, Kasam, Kafam Chaiva, Jayet Prayogaha. So this recipe cure abdominal tumor of gulma, udhara enlargement of abdomen, arches or hemorrhoid, Shvayathu edema, prameha diabetes, shwasa dyspnea, pradishyaya running in the nose, alasaga, that is a kind of indigestion or ajirna, kamala jaundice, shosha, Manovikaran, Shosha means emaciation, Manovikaran, disorder of mind, Kasa, cough, and increase of kaba. Gridamartraga Nagarasya Kalkaswarasabhyam Payasa cha Sadhayitva. Shvayathu, Kshavadu, Udhara, Agni Sadaihi, Abhibudo, Abhi, Pipan, Bhavadi, Arogaha. Medicated ghee prepared with juice of Ardraka, paste of Nagara, and milk, consume daily. Makes the person free of the disease, that is edema, though accompanied with edema, sneezing, abdominal enlargement, and weak digestive fire. Even though all of them, the patient is suffering from all of these diseases, by Using this ghee prepared with juice of ardraga and paste of nagar and milk, he will be free of the disease. Niramo Bhatta Shamalaha Pibechaya Pididaha. The patient of edema who has symptom of nirama and obstruction of feces should drink Trigadu Trivardha Dandi Chitragaihi Sadidam Payaha Mutram Gaurva Mahishya Va Sakshiram Kshira Bhojanaha Saptaham Masa Madhava Syat Ushtra Kshira Vartanaha. That is, he should drink milk boiled with Trigadu, Trivar, Dandi and Chitraga, or urine of either a cow or buffalo added with milk only as food, or drink camel milk only as a diet for a period of 7 days or a month. Yavanyagadi Grida. Yavanagam, Yavaksharam, Yavanim Panchakolam, Marijam Dadimam Padam, Danagam, Amblam, Lavedasam. Amla Vedasam. So, which are the 14 drugs mentioned here? Yavanaga or Yavani, Yavakshara, Yavani, Panchakola, Marija, Dadima, Pada, Dhanyaga, Amla Vedasa, Bala, Bilva. These are the 14 drugs. Each one karsha are boiled in 1 adag of water and decoction prepared. So, Bala Bilvam, that is the rest of the sloka, Bala Bilvam, that is included in this 14 drugs. Karshamsham, Sadayet, Salila Adakhe, Tena Pakko, Grida Prastaha, Shobha Arsha Gulma Mehaha. 1 prastha of Grida or ghee is mixed with and medicated ghee is prepared. So, from this decoction, we are preparing this Grida, and this cures edema or Shobha, hemorrhoids, that is Arsha, abdominal tumor, and diabetes. Datnaha Chitraka Garbhadva Gridam Tatrakra Samyudham Pakvam Sa Chitragam Tatvad Gunaihi Yunjacha Kalavid. Medicated ghee prepared with dadi, prepared from milk mixed with the powder of chitraga, or takra obtained from that curd with the paste of chitraga and grida, has property same as of the above. Dhanvantara Mahatiktam, Kalyanamam, Abhayagratam. Either Dhanvantara Grida, Mahatikta Grida, or Kalyanaka Grida may be administered, determining the stage of the disease. Dashamula Haridagi or Kamsa Haridagi Lehya. Dashamula Kashayasyam Kamse Patya Shadham Pajed Datva Gudatulam Tasmin Lehe Dadyad Vichurnidam Trijadagam Trikadugam Kinchit Tacha Yavashukajam Prastartham Chahime Kshaudra Tat Nikhandi Uba Yojitam. Patya, that is 100 in number, is boiled in 1 kamsa of decoction of dashamula added with 1 tula of guda and churna of trijadaga, trikaduga, little quantity of yavakshara of yavashukaja, and the leha or avaleha or confection is prepared. And when it is cooled, we add half prastha of honey. What are the indication? Pravarta Shobha Jwara Meha Gulma, Karshyam, Amavada Amlaga Rakta Pittam. Vaivarnya, Mutra, Anila, Shukra, Dhosha, Shwasa, Aruji, Pliha, Gharodhara. So this is if used daily, cure Pravarta Shobha, advanced edema, Jwara, fever, Meha, diabetes, Kulma, abdominal tumor, Karsha, emaciation, Amavada, rheumatism, Amlaga, gastric acidity, Rektapitam, bleeding disease, Vaivarnya, abnormal color of body, Mutra, Anila, Shukra, Dosha, disorder of urine, flatus, semen, Shwasa, dyspnea, Aruji, loss of taste or appetite, Pliha, disease, the spleen, Gara, homicidal poisoning, Udara, enlargement of abdomen. Patya. Purana Yavashali Annam, Dashamula Ambu Sadhidam, Alpa Alpa Padu Sneham, Bojanam Shvayador Hidam. Food prepared from old yava or shali, boiled in the decoction of dashamula, added with very little salt and fat, taken in small quantity, is the ideal meal for patients of edema. So this is Anna. What about the Panam? Kshara Vyoshanvidaihi, Maulgaihi, Kolattaihi, Sakanaihi, Rasaihi. Tada Jangalajaihi, Kurma Goda Shalyaja, Ashalyaga Jaraihi. Abhi Anamlam Madidam Pani, Madhyani Aushada Vandicha. Either the soup of mudga or kulatta added with kshara, vyosha, and kana, soup of meat of animal of desert like lands, that is a jankalaja, of Kurma, tortoise, Goda, iguana lizard, Shalyagaja, porcupine, Anamlam Madida, buttermilk well churned, or wine mixed with appropriate drugs are best for drinking after the meals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.